We'll guide you through how to enable and use speech typing in Microsoft Word. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Come to the bottom of your computer and click on search and type in speech recognition like so and go through the setup process. It's super simple, it's going to guide you through. Select the microphone you use and click next. Make sure it's set up and read this through. Peter dictates to his computer, he prefers it to typing and particularly prefers it to pen and paper. You can then go and click on next. You can choose if you want to enable document review or not and then press next again. And you can choose if you want to use manual or voice activation. I'll just use manual and I'll press next and I'll press next again like so and I'll skip the tutorial. Now we can go and get started. As you can see, we've now got this little window at the top of my computer. Place your cursor where you want to start typing and then click on the microphone and you can start speaking. This is an example. As you can see, it just wrote it there and it's that simple. If you found this useful, then leave a like.